Hi guys, Bobby D here. Welcome to my review of my own product, Pocket PLR. So this is going to be a biased review, but it's worth it. It's a really good product and I've put a lot of time into getting this ready for you guys. So why have I put this together? Pocket PLR, I get questions all the time particularly from newbies saying, Bobby, we want to be an affiliate marketer, and we're getting our links and we're putting them out there and we're sending traffic to it and we're making no sales. That's right, it's difficult. So what you need to do is offer something that's going to entice your customer to buy from you, and that is a bonus. Now, what a lot of newbies don't know is where to get those bonuses from, and you can find a load of low-level, crappy PLR on the internet. That's not what you want. You want good quality PLR, and you want it to be congruent with the offer that is being offered. So what that means is, if you were affiliating a product that was selling, say, Instagram or Facebook program or traffic, your bonuses need to be based around that. If you're doing something, if the software is Instagram, there's no point in offering them how to build a website, right? You need to offer them something to do with Instagram, the bonuses. That is how you will get sales. And that is what I've done for you guys. I've put all my bonuses, all the PLR is all around affiliate marketing. So let's just dive down here. In fact, I'm actually going to disappear. So this is the sales page, Pocket PLR, the easy way to make commissions with every page. There's my little intro video there, and over 150 quality PLR. This will be nearer 200 by the time you watch this. And these are some of the results I had, with a bonus bundle, 30 stealth, made me nearly, $800, 1 minute traffic, 54, flip magic, 1 minute traffic, vid chomper, flipodom, no bonus bundle, octane. It just shows you don't get it, with the bonus, another 18 and 21, that little campaign there, I done 128 items. I sold and made $9,000. That's with bonus bundles, guys. It sounds too easy to be true, but that is what it is like. So there's my sales page. This is going to be a quick video, right? Just go through it and have a look. It's all about working smart and not hard, all right? Giving away congruent PLR. That is the key to it. My good friend Jamie and John have done my testimonial there. And the best bit now is, if you grab this today, the first 200 people, I'm also going to give you access to another PLR site that gives you 1,500 more free PLR products, 1,500 more free ones. But that's only to the first 200 people, right? And then it goes. You also get access to my mastermind group, where you can talk about anything to do with affiliate marketing. So it's $29.95. It's a one-off price. There is no monthly payment for this, guys. It's a one-off price. That is why this is special. And that is why there's been so much interest in this. Most sites are charging $30, $40, $50 a month. This is $29.95. That's it. So this is the members area. Once you get into it, you go to Pocket PLR. It says members only. And all you do is you drop down the product list here. And these are all the products that I've got: traffic, ClickBank, Google, video, affiliate marketing, Facebook, Amazon, SEO, Fiverr, how to, Instagram, WordPress, and copywriting. So let's just go to Instagram. Let's have a look here. And these are programs that you can give away that are Instagram. And all you do, rapid Instagram traffic, click the link, and it tells you all about it. You get all that stuff. You're getting videos, sales videos, letters, audios, hit download, done. That easy. And it's the same for everything. There's traffic, there's video, about how to make money using PLR, how to use money using PLR. Let's just pop back here, ClickBank. Loads and loads of stuff there, guys, for you to jump on board. Facebook, Fiverr is always a good one. So you can download these quality books, and I'll be uploading these all the time. And this is what you can give away as bonuses. It is that easy, guys. It really is that easy. So if you're getting stuck on affiliate sales, you need bonuses. Pocket PLR is a perfect answer. It's a one-off payment, $29.95. It's not a lot of money, but you can make that back in one sale. That's what I'm saying to you guys. You can make it back in one sale. So you're getting that. You're getting access to my 1,500 extra ones if you're the first 200, and you get access to my Facebook group. What a bargain. So that's it, guys. I'm Bobby Dean. It comes out on the, what's the date today? 15th of February at 11 a.m. EST. That's when you can grab a hold of it. So the link will go live. It will be below. It won't go live till then. So if you're watching this after, the link is live. If you're watching it before, it's not. But that's it, guys. Any questions or comments, leave me a comment and I'll answer it. Cheers. I'm Bobby D. That is Pocket PLR.